Did you know some love stories begin in hospital waiting rooms at 3 in the morning? Dr. Emma was pulling a double shift when she noticed him. The same man had been sitting there for 6 hours. While others complained and paced, James stayed calm and patient. He wasn't waiting for family. He was waiting for his elderly neighbor who had no one else during her heart episode. Emma kept checking on them both during her rounds. She'd never seen such kindness. When his neighbor was finally stable, James prepared to leave at 3 in the morning. Emma broke protocol. She asked if he wanted coffee from the vending machine. They talked until her shift ended. Both were caregivers by nature. Him looking after elderly neighbors, her working double shifts for colleagues. Their first date was volunteering at the senior center. 2 years later, they had their wedding reception in that same hospital cafeteria, surrounded by the nurses and doctors who watched their love story unfold during those late-night shifts. Sometimes the most beautiful love grows in the most unexpected places.